What's up, guys? I hope most of you are back from vacation and looking at your charts. So I want to show you a few forecasts. So we start with the Kiwi. We see a breakout obviously here. It's pretty obvious that this line is broken. You can see it even on the monthly charts, but this monthly candle isn't closed yet. But if you look at the weekly, we see a weekly candle closed with good volume right below this trend line, and so that's one breakout. So it's looking bearish. So what do? You go down to the daily charts, and here you can pick up some targets. So here we see on the daily that we can draw. I think we can make a channel out of this. So we can see that price is inside the channel now. So this will help you pick targets. So right now we are at the support already. So unless you've been trading this breakout, you need to wait for the next move here. So as always, look at the patterns. So here we have another breakout inside the channel. Okay, so we see it went down for a few days and then started bouncing back towards the upper trend line here. So could that happen again? Could we see a retracement before going down? It's possible, but I wouldn't start shorting it now that it's at the lower trend line. Okay, so I want a breakout or I want this to go up and then we get another breakout inside the channel or a breakout out of the channel. Okay, so two possibilities there for a continuation for the bears. But of course it could always retrace up. So right now we're at the support here, so we don't short it. We have to wait for the Kiwi to make its move. And so the next asset I want to look at is the CAD. Usually these two are in negative correlation, and we can see there is also a channel here on the CAD. So both of them are in a channel. The Kiwi is inside the channel going down, and the CAD on the weekly, you can see it's going up. Okay, so if you look at the weekly for both, weekly down, weekly up. Okay, so negative correlation, right? So if we move down on the CAD to the daily charts, we see there is a bearish trend line channel, as well, just like the Kiwi. So if you look at both of them, they're inside bearish channels, both of them. So you might think, but how is this a negative correlation? But if you look closely, you see Kiwi has been going up inside the channel, while the Canadian dollar has been going up inside the channel, while the Kiwi has been going down inside the channel. So that's the negative correlation right there. And also remember, on the weekly the Kiwi is going down, but on the weekly the CAD has been channeling up. Okay, so that's the negative correlation right there. So keep this on your charts. We either will see a pattern repetition, just like here you see the breakouts each time it went up. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. So we got one here, and then we will see if we get another one here or we get a bullish continuation. And looking at the Kiwi that is falling right now, it broke the monthly support there, so we might see the Canadian dollar moving up, breaking this. Nevertheless, you want to wait for either direction to break before you trade this, so keep those lines on your charts. And then the pound finally did break and reached our lower target. If you look at my previous videos, I mentioned this target. I told you that it could continue down. I also told you about this line, that if it would break, we want to trade towards here, the lower line. I gave you this line, up here, the daily support. This is the line I gave you. I said if it's broken, and here you can see a daily candle close below, so confirming the breakout. And I told you we could be trading all the way down here, lots of pips to be gained. So I hope you used that and you made some pips. And then you see the next breakout did happen below the line. It reached even lower, and you can see that this was a support on the weekly charts, which is still seems to be, if we adjust our line here, it's still at the support now. So we have to wait and see what happens. Look at it on the daily, it's not really clear where exactly the support is, so we have to adjust our lines to the price, looking at different time frames. Here on the monthly we see it looks good. On the weekly, I would say it's pretty much a support area from here to here, so right now going short would be risky because we could get another retracement here. You see some patterns here on the 4-hour time frame. That's what I wanted to show you. So you can see here the first breakout and then the second breakout. So keep those on your chart. It's going to help you how to trade. The third breakout there and the fourth breakout. Okay, so are we going to get a fifth here as well? So right now I'm going to keep the support line instead, because this area has been more straight. Okay, this one more sideways, this one more straight, so I'm going to keep the support line. But look at this, each area getting broken, right? So we got first one, second one, third one, and then fourth one. So are we going to get a fifth, or are we going to get a retracement? So keep an eye on that. So that's pretty much everything that I wanted to show you for now. You can do a similar analysis for any other asset that you wish to trade, and I hope that will help you find some good setups.